is dumping out there, and my dinghy is about to swamp, so I'm gonna go and swamp it right now in the middle of the night.
Oh no, Colin. Alright, it's a little header.
Dinghy floats. Didn't lose the motor. It's freaking lightning outside. Holy fuck. Thunder and lightning. Absolutely. Biggest rainstorm I've had so far. I mean, that was like 2 hours and I got like 8 inches of water in my dinghy. Even a foot, man. It seemed very close to not being float.
Mission accomplished.
I'm shopping. Go do that again another hour. Great. It's gonna be a long night. Not right. That thing's completely overflown, and this thing here is clogged.
Still going strong. Next to this thing's jumping out. Not really. Yeah. Done.
Completely soaked. Finally, so I put it on, I get soaked. So, here we go, shirtless. It's been like a half hour. We're gonna see how the dinghy's holding up this time. If it's full already. There you go.
Oh yeah. Son of a... Round 2. Oh my gosh, it's a rare. This is a legit rare. cannot go in. Alright. Oh, down.
It's already filling up. I'm not going back out there. That thing is on its own. You'll throw anchor.
Alright. Alright.
Anchor deployed. There's probably a lot of tension on this thing, man. The mooring line we're on has not been looked at for over a year. So it's not trustworthy at all. So we got anchor in, mooring line breaks. Especially if a big log comes in, you got a solid current that could wreak some serious havoc on that mooring line. So we got ourselves our backup anchor, and hopefully it holds. That is a strong current, man.
Alright. Is it secure? That's lit.
Motor secure.
Alright. Good.
So the plan is I'm gonna just go ahead and leave that dinghy to its own self. What the heck was that?
Oh my gosh, sucker.
I just hit the boat.
One more. Well, I don't think we're sinking.
That was a massive log that just hit the boat. More debris coming down too. It's getting worse. I'm not sleeping tonight. I gotta make sure the boat doesn't sink. Big log hits like that, punks a hole in the freaking boat. You can try to bail on my swamp dinghy. That's not good. We got a solid current, tons of debris coming right out of the boat. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go clear that debris in a little bit because it's probably gonna pile up. It's gonna put more force on the mooring line. Yeah. Probably just put this bed away. It's just soaked now. Yeah, we're just gonna stay up, keep an eye on things. Make sure the boat doesn't sink or float away. Ooh, that was a good hit. Well, since I'm up all night, might as well make pancakes. It's already morning, you know. It's almost 2 in the morning. Make some pancakes. Make sure the boat doesn't sink. Debris, punch a hole in it, or mooring line breaks or something, since we're sitting in a river right now. Tons of debris coming down, just constantly hitting the hull of the boat as it goes by. And it's just dumping. And it's supposed to get worse at like 3 to 4 in the morning. It's supposed to get worse, so hopefully the boat holds up. Meanwhile, we're making pancakes. A lot of flooding last night. Last night it was a river right here. All sorts of massive debris coming in. Just unveiled my dinghy. It's pretty much sunk. Pretty good flooding event last night. Got about 2 hours of sleep last night. The boat swam 3 times last night. The river comes in right there. There's still a current. Not very bad anymore, but last night the current was ripping. Had a massive log hit the boat. Completely jolt the whole thing, but I don't see any damage on the hull. Hopefully that was it. Things will clean up. Crazy night. Might be time for some more pancakes. Crazy night. Tired, I only got like 2 hours of sleep last night. Calm as can be again. Yep. Well, got neighbors' dinghy sunk at the docks. Go help out. See if we can get her boat back so she can get out to her boat. See how it is. I'm boat floating. That's the boat we're supposed to get out. Rough. Gotta get that unswamped and get it going, gather her stuff. It's a line of debris. Scavenge for stuff. Go, got my llama retrieving her stuff. I gotta get over there through this. Oh, little score. Coconut. Looks like it's in good shape. Sweet. That was a good find. Llama the pirate. Legend. According to a local who's been here for 13 years, this is the worst she's seen it. This is back of the harbor, the debris. Some nice waterfalls. Those are generally not there. Cool. Sticks. Give her a nice tow here. Her motor's swamped, so she's got to fix that now. Yeah, this guy came from the river here, and I am right up there. There's me. Survived the night. The boat in front of me is underwater somewhere. Another boat is missing. And then there was another boat that slammed in a bunch of other boats and did a lot of damage. So you can see the power. It seems massive coming down the river there last night. Just feet of water. It rained last night. Yeah, talking to some of the people, it sounds like relatively lucky. Phil, the dude I helped him on the rocks about a month ago, his boat is underwater. They say another cat drifted off. They don't know what happened to that. It's probably underwater out to sea. And then another boat apparently smashed into a couple other ones, did some damage. But my boat stayed put and didn't get hit by any other boats and is still floating. So we're doing good. We'll see what Saturday brings, but freaking gnarly. The wind's blowing it all in still. Now's a good storm when this whole place gets socked in by debris. considering the circumstances and the fact that it's actually a good coconut. This is the best coconut I've ever had in my life.